Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Python Advanced with Machine Learning. So today I will discuss about Python programming, beginner to advanced level. How will you go? So in this tutorial, uh, you are able to cover, we are able to cover all those things which I am doing in this video, in this Python playlist. So my first step, I will tell you what I will teach you. So I'm going on my VS Code, open on Windows, and then I'm typing VS Code. So will I go on VS Code. Uh, so I'm opening my folder, uh, new DSL Python and AW. There is my new DSL Python. I'm opening this. So this is my uh, overview of VS Code. You know all. I assume that all you know about VS Code. VS Code is an software, you can say application software, where you can do and you can execute all the codes, all languages of codes like C, C++, Java, Python, and you can do web development like CSS, JavaScript, HTML, and also you can do front end, back end. You can do those works on this platform. So what I am doing in this project, you have to focus on this what kind of things I am covering. So I am covering this is not for you, this is for you, but now this is not for you. Okay? I am covering advanced object oriented programming project enterprise e-commerce platform. Here, if you want to go in machine learning field, then you have command on ops concept. Not only ops concept, it is necessary, but if your if your base is strong, then you are able to understand it in easily manner, clear for every person. So I am doing, it is an overview. I am doing today's lecture for you. What kind of things I am doing in this playlist. So I'm uh, so today uh, I will see all those things which I am covering in the playlist, and all those and some of those things are not included in this. So no tension. I'm also covering. It's all advanced concepts. It is like a first way to go in this line. If you will focus in my lecture, then clearly I can say you that you are able to master in this language. Yeah? And if you are a programmer, then if you want to take internship, then you can ask with me internship related and query. Okay. And if your query is weak, then I can make on this purpose. Clear? So and first py.ip. Yes, today's agenda is I am covering all those Python programming in Python notebook. So no tension. First is my first pypy.ipynb. I am covering all those programs in our Python notebooks. Okay. So in this first advanced ops project enterprise e-commerce platform, I am making. Second part is my advanced ops project smart home automation system. Second project is my this. Third project is my conditional statement. You know this is a basic topics for every person. If you are a beginner, you don't know what is programming, then and you if you then focus in my lecture, then you can easily learn it clearly. Second part is my dictionary. It is stored in alphanumeric manner, so it is not in my way to represent this. Okay, it is stored in alphanumeric manner, so I am not able to I am covering all those things in step by step, but in this I am covering you in this, you cannot see it. It is not in a, sequentially manner. So this is my first pypy.ipynb. Then second, I am covering advanced of project enterprise e-commerce platform in Python language. Here, advanced of project smart home automation system. Okay, dot Python. It is the extension of our every programming language. Like Java programming language extension is dot Java. Java or Java, both are different things. Java, if you pronounce the Java, then this is your wrong pronunciation. Java is your right pronunciation. Clear? So in the playlist, I'm covering advanced of project enterprise e-commerce platform. You have to pay an consistent manner in the lecture, then you, I am 100% sure that you are able to understand this lecture. If you don't know, if you are not able to understand, then you can comment me what kind of things you are not understanding. So I will explain those things in another lectures for you. I will make for you another lectures and then advanced software project. Now I will go ahead. Conditional statement dot ipynb and then dictionary dot ipynb. Okay, this is not for you. This is for you. But if you will go on those lectures, then how to make, how to implement .csv file, how to implement .csv file, how to implement .log file, how to implement text file, how to implement all of those things file. I'm covering all those things. So no tension. You have to focus here and you can also do it. This is my text file, example.txt. Now I'm also covering exception handling.ipynb. Second is my file and file. This is the brief introduction about the exception handling. This is my file reading writing dot ipynb. This is the it's what kind of things? This is the extension of Python notebook here. I, P, Y, and P. Now comes on file handling basics. This is the file handling basics. Now comes on function, how to define function. Here. Now general use of exception dot ipynb. Now what are the difference in between interpreted versus compiled language? Python is completely a interpreted language. Okay, interpreted and compiled language. I assume that you know about that. If you are a third year student or second year student, I assume that it is clear for you. What are the differences between them? So I am also covering this piece. then how to implement .png file. This is like a QR scanner. I'm also covering how to scan QR code and how to make QR code of web-based URL. Here, if you will scan those, I'm also making how to scan URL and also all those things. This is my iterators and generators.python notebook. Then I'm covering lambda, map, radius, filter.am, IPYNV. Lambda is anonymous function syntax. Lambda is a monitor filter instead, and that's it. Now comes on list.ipy and now comes on logging debugging. This is a best concept in Python programming. Now comes on loop statement py.ipynv. This is like an understanding rename for this file name. Okay, loops.ipynv. This is clear. This is it will go the lecture from beginner to advanced. Okay, if you want to go direct advanced, then you cannot go. Okay, you have to cover all those things basics manner. If you will, if you don't know what is my first point and you want to go direct in fourth fourth point, then you cannot go fourth point, because if you don't know what is like first point, then you cannot go second point. You cannot go third point. You cannot go fourth point. So your first point is clear. Second point is clear. Where is my first point? Where is my second point? And then you can do it. You can make an advanced programmer, Python programmer here. Then comes on multi-threading, then comes on mutability. Okay. Now ops concept, ops one, ops two, inheritance and abstraction. All those things, ops concepts are I'm covering in this lecture. Okay. So don't take attention. This is my ops.ipynv operators IPYNV. You know about what is the operator here? Payment processing system. What is the meaning of payment processing system? You know, in the payment processing system, we are covering how to pay from credit card, how to pay from cryptocurrency, how to pay from all those things. This is the process to you will understand how to develop payment processing system, and you are also able to see output, input, output, do all those things. Okay, this is this is png. This is like a QR code. If you will scan this by using your scanner, then you can do it. You can do access those things. Now pro.py. This is another one example here. Now comes on. Okay, this is as this is my keyword barcode scanner. If you will run it, then uh, it will execute your code, and you are able to uh, scan the code. Keyword code.py. Okay, this is the best. If you will give here in your URL, then it will give you after executing it will give you a QR code, QR QR images, and if you will scan this, then you are able to access the images. Now scan QR code. This is the code of how to scan the QR code front of your camera. If you will give the QR code front of the camera, then you are able to see your or see your resources. Now comes in scanner QR code.py, screen recorder.py here. This is a best how to if you most of the screen recorder most of the screen recorder wants I have ever seen that most of the screen recorder takes subscription and then you are able to make video screen recorder. But this screen recorder is my own. It is my I am making it manually. So this is not. It will not take any subscription for me. So you can do it easily, and you are also able to do those things clear. You are able to do a screen recording. Now safe drawing system. Uh, I'm executing this project step drawing system. It is like a project small, many small projects like how to make area, like rectangle, how to make circle, how to make triangle, how to make rectangle. All those images there is included. There is included. Okay. So I'm, I'm covering my room. Like this is my circle. This is my what rectangle. This is my triangle. This is also my circle. This is my rectangle. This is my circle. So this is a small mini project. This is shooting.png, a smartphone state.json file. I assume that this is clear for you. This is how to make a string, how what are the working process of a string, where we can use it, all those things I am covering in this lecture. In this lecture not, uh, in previous lecture, in upcoming lectures. Um, now comes on teacher.py, okay, where I am covering. This is our log file. This is our Python notebook, couple set dictionary, all those things I am covering. This is typecasting, all those things I am covering. So you have to focus in my lecture, and then I'm 100% sure that if you will focus in my upcoming lecture, then I'm sure that you are able to do all those things. Okay. So thank you everyone for support my channels, and this is my upcoming thing. So this is my new YouTube channel. You can subscribe it. You can subscribe it. You can also do it if you are interested in this lecture. Then you can like this my lecture. Okay, you can like my lecture, and your effort will go ahead in my life. Okay, if you now again I am saying you, if you have any queries related to your uh, anything related to your life, related to your job roles, related to your internship, your related any technical issues if you are facing, then you can easily comment in my lecture, and and I will solve your problem if those problems uh, will uh, will completed by me. Then I will solve your problem. No tension. You have to focus on my lecture, and I hope that you can do it by using my playlist. So thank you everyone. Again, thank you. If you are interested in my lecture, then please my lecture attend every day. I'm covering all those things every day for you. So thank you everyone.